what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today. And in today's video, I have a review for you guys. I'm not going to call this a true unboxing because, well, it was supposed to be an unboxing, and I filmed the whole video, or at least I thought I filmed the video, and I was out of storage, so the video wouldn't save. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys and act like it's my first time seeing the shoes, but it was supposed to be. But I already did the video, so I seen them. I know everything I need to know about them. But we're gonna get into the video, and before we get into that, man, if you're new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit the subscribe button, join the anonymous Sneakerhead channel, join the family. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Now, I know you guys aren't probably seeing this video until December 3rd. It is December 1st when I'm recording this, though, and at the time of me recording this, we are at 909 subscribers. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Also, make sure you go ahead, smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel. And then, last but not least, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. You would have seen these up there already. Polls, questions, stories, all of that fun stuff is up there. But make sure that you do go ahead and join the channel, man. When we do hit that 1,000 subscribers, you can bet that there will be a giveaway. But without further ado, let's get into the shoe. As you can see, man, these did come in from Sneakers, but like I said, I already filmed this video. It just didn't save, so I'm not going to put it back into the box and tape it up and unbox it for you guys. But here's the box, regular Nike box. I actually thought we would get something a little different because this is a retro, and we do have a Nike Air Max 1 Premium PRM, and the colorway here is lemonade, and pine green. Now, that's enough of the box. I already got the shoes out right here. Let's get into it, and here we go. The Nike Air Max 1 Lemonade. All right, YouTube, so as you can see, man, we have an Air Max 1. You guys know I'm a sucker for Air Max 1s, and this is the lemonade colorway. Now, this particular colorway is very special. All the way back in 2006, I want to say, Nike did their Powerwall release, which was when the Air Max 360 came out, which was the first Nike shoe with visible air from the toe all the way to the heel. So they released 56 different Air Max shoes in different colorways, one of them being the lemonade colorway that we have right here. And looking at pictures of it, I was like, I wonder why they did it that way. I wonder why they made them look this way, because when they did come out in 2006, they had yellow laces. Now, I did not know we were going to get extra laces. So when I know that there's a shoe that I'm going to get my hands on 100% and going to review, I don't go ahead and watch other reviews of it, just so that way I could be surprised. But I didn't know we were going to get other laces. We do have yellows here. If I wear these, I probably might even put the white ones in here to accent the white on the midsole and the white throughout the air around the shoe. Speaking about the air around the shoe, as you guys can see, it has that little funky throwback font all the way around. That is a 3M print, which is pretty cool. You guys can see right here that it's reflective. And that's another thing that I didn't know about the shoe. And we do have a patent leather swoosh right there. Once again, that little bit of subtle hit of patent leather I think is dope to offset this stiffer leather that we have going around the mudguard. Now, the mudguard, the leather on here is pretty stiff, as well as the netting or the mesh on the toe. It is stiffer than I would like. This is I can definitely see it wearing down after a few wears. But this is a shoe that came out, and I knew it was coming out. I knew what it was about. They obviously came out with the strawberry lemonade one and the limeade one before, and this one was the OG that those two were built off of. And it's dope. It's dope in hand. I'm not gonna lie. It's better in person than I thought it would be. I'm still not 100% sure if I'm gonna wear them. I may sit on them and see what resale value does. Right now, they're a little bit over retail, but not enough for me to go ahead and sell them right now. But it's the winter, so there's no point for me to wear this yellow lemonade. This is a very summery shoe. So we'll see where it's sitting around summertime. Like I said, I think I'll put the white laces in there. I also really do like these green candy cane pattern-ish laces as well. But let's get into some more detail of the shoe. Like I said, I thought this was going to be a similar material to what we had on. Let me see if I can find them without looking. So I thought it was going to be a similar material to what we had on the mudguard here. This isn't actually suede. I'm not sure what this is. It's more kind of like that felt that we've been getting on Air Max 90s this year. But from the pictures, I just assumed that's what this would be. But this is definitely a leather. Not a great leather, not a terrible leather. Better than your regular Jordan 1 leather though, which we've been getting. This kind of trash. Like the most recent one I did was the gold mid. Better than that leather, but it is still pretty stiff. The netting or the mesh is stiff as well, but I think that's because of the leather material and this material that they have the 3M pattern on the upper. Let me put the right shoe down so that has the laces hanging off of it, pick up the left. But more details around it. Like I said, I already mentioned, you can see the Air written all the way around it. Now when we get to the heel, instead of our traditional Nike Air, we have that same font, but it is the Air in green. And then on the tongue, once again, instead of regular Nike Air, we have the vintage Nike logo. I don't know how well you guys can see that. The vintage Nike logo written over top of a lemon slice, just to go with the theme of the whole shoe. And you guys can see on the insole as well. Now, I'm not going to take these out because they're in there pretty good, so I'll put pictures of it on the screen. But you can see on the insole, let me get the laces out of the way, that we do have the lemon pattern, once again, sticking with the theme of the shoe, pine green background, going all the way up. Now, going to the outsole of the shoe, we have our regular Nike Air Max 1 outsole that we see on every single Air Max 1. This is a dope shoe, man. It's nicer in person. Honestly, I'll probably end up keeping it, probably end up breaking it out in the summer. Like I said, I'll probably put green laces on it. If you guys want to see how I lace my Air Max 1, maybe about a week ago, a little less than a week ago, I did my Air Max 1 lacing tutorial on these right here. So you guys should definitely go check that out. I'll put the link down below in the description if you guys want to figure out how to lace your Air Max 1s. But honestly, man, I would give these a solid 7 out of 10. Now, are these going to be in my top 10 sneaker pickups of the year? No. But these are dope. I love Air Max 1s. Absolutely love Air Max 1s. My single favorite Air Max silhouette. And I like all the little details on them. Another little detail I just noticed, the air bubble, instead of being completely clear, I don't know if you can see that, has that green tint to it. Really going with that little lime vibe that we have on the laces, the heel, and the insole as well. And I'm surprised by the laces that they gave us. They gave us 3 pretty cool lacing options. I think the white might look the best in here. It gave us the yellow as well, which is the OG style if you look at the original Powerwall collection. And then they gave us these, which are pretty funky, I think. With the green already coming in there, I think these are pretty funky, pretty cool to go with this shoe. But let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments, man. Would you pick these up? Did you pick them up? Do you think they're going to be worth anything? I personally don't. I think it'll be a great shoe for the summer to break out. Some nice ankle socks, some shorts, put a cool little fit together. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. That is it for this video, though. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead channel. Join the family. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. When we hit 1,000, there will be a giveaway. So make sure that you're sharing the videos, telling your friends if you want to give away. I'm not going to tell you what the giveaway is yet, but if you want to give away, make sure that you help us get towards those goals. And another way for you to help us hit those goals is by smashing that like button, man. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring new people to the videos, which can help join the channel. And then last but not least, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.